Hey, Luke here with Aero Ambulances. I was just going to take a minute and show you our custom consoles and our rocker panel setup. This is going to be on a F450. We can build the same consoles on the Chevy Ks. We do them on the Ram 4500s. This is just a classic look at our custom rocker panels that we put in every single truck. We can adjust them for your specs if you want to add or subtract, or if you have different features you want to put in there. We can definitely make that happen as well. A couple of our custom features here, like I said, we have the top armrest here. We've also integrated glove holders in the sides. And to change that, all it takes is there's just a foam block in here that holds those boxes in. You just pull the block out, switch out your box, and you're good to go. We've got the custom cup holders in here. There's shelf separators inside of here. And as far as changing out the radios, we have top panels that can be removed for serviceability items, as well as the rocker panels can come right up. Makes it real easy for serviceable for either the dealer or for us at Aero. And just to remove this panel, all you have to do is remove two bolts. There's one on each side. So we'll go down here. There's literally just one bolt here and one bolt here. And the whole panel will slide back, tip up for serviceability. Okay, now that the bolts are removed, we'll show you how easy it is to get this panel back. And you slide her back a little bit, lift it on up. You gain full access underneath your radio unit, all the no-nonsense rockers. All the wiring is nice and cleanly run. We use the same mounts on the floor as your standard center console was when it came brand new from Ford, Chevy, or Dodge, whatever it was. And we just implement our new mounting tabs. So this makes it really easy in case you have to change out your radios, rockers, anything happens there, or if your truck has to go in for warranty work, then your dealer doesn't have to worry about disrupting any wiring or cutting any splices or anything. They have plenty of room to work on their end, as well as the ambulance side. So one of the things that I hear a lot is when they bring their trucks in for their servicing dealer or anything like that, the technicians are always a little bit worried about our center consoles, all the wiring that may have to do with the ambulances. They get a little overwhelmed. Well, when we build them like this, again, all the wiring comes straight from the back and it comes right to the central hub. But with this, it starts and stops right here. It doesn't actually go beyond this point into the chassis. There's nothing else that you have to worry about. It's all run to that nice loom that you saw running up and go straight back. So from this point back only, not from this point forward. So with this being easily moved up, the servicing dealer has nothing to worry about as far as upsetting the wiring, breaking wires, pulling anything off of the rocker panels. It's all very easy to service.